All right, today we're going to do a elderberry flower cordial. So you're going to want to first take and remove all your flowers from your elderberry blossoms. Go ahead and get you out a glass jar, label it with a label with what it is and the date so you can keep a good record. And then what we're going to do is we're going to fill that jar up approximately 1/3 with the elder flowers. Look how pretty those are. This is going to be a nice cordial. It'll last a couple months in your refrigerator. So there we go. It's about 1/3 full. And then what we're going to do is put in a couple cups of raw sugar or maple sugar, whatever you use. Put about 2 cups of that in there. All right. And then we're going to add some lime or lemon juice. And also you can add the fresh slices as well. So you can add 2 lemons or like 3 limes, or about 3/4 cup of juice. All right, it's pretty forgiving. And then we're going to shake that up. Now we won't use this metal top because this is actually going to be a fermented elderflower cordial. Okay, this is going to ferment. So shaky, shaky, shaky. And then we're going to fill that up with some filtered water. And this is warm water, just a little warm. You do not actually wash your elderflowers. You want the natural yeast on them to be occurring so you can get a good ferment here. We're going to fill this up, leaving a little bit of space because it is going to ferment. Just going to shake that up. And then we're going to cover it with just like a cheesecloth because you want it to be able to create a ferment. You don't want to trap those gases in there. So we'll cover it with a cheesecloth and let it ferment 2 or 3 days. Then we'll filter it, and then we'll do a second fermentation for 2 to 3 more days. Go ahead and shake that up some more and get that sugar dissolved. All right, tell me what you're up to today. Like and share for more.